Are you ready for Christmas?
Yeah!
Oh, I love that. Oh, you guys look awesome. You know, I sent a message to Mother Nature, and I said, I want snow. Was she confused or what? We didn't get snow. We got rain. Lots of rain. So we're not going to light the Christmas tree tonight, but we're going to do some other things. Stay with me here. We're going to count down from 10 to 1. Stay with me, okay? Don't get ahead of me. Don't lag behind me. Are you ready? What'd you say? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, Santa. Santa, I gotta say, that's a pretty awesome Paradise Chevrolet Corvette you've got there. Thank you again, everybody, for joining us this evening. I hope you all had a great time. Thank you to all of our lovely performers that were up here all night long doing singing and dancing for us all across the world. Thank you so much. I hope you all have a great evening, a safe evening. One more reminder, so I don't forget, we do have National Marrow Donors Association, their program. They are here just inside the mall, lower level, and they're taking swabs if you're interested in being on the bone marrow list. Lots of people who could certainly use your help if you're interested. So please go see them. Otherwise, Merry Christmas. Have a great holiday, a great Thanksgiving, and drive home safely. Thank you.
Thanks for enjoying our program tonight at Promenade Temecula. Please enjoy the mall with your family. We are open until 9 p.m. tonight. Photos with Santa are available in front of JCPenney. Drive home safely and have a very happy holiday season.